Happy Halloween, everybody. So it's October. I can't believe it's October already. And I'm going to do a Halloween tree pretty much for my daughter because she has loved Nightmare Before Christmas for years and years and years and years, as long as I can remember. And so I picked up stuff to do a Halloween tree for her. And this is what we have. We have the feather boas from Dollar Tree. We have some ribbon from Walmart. And balls from Hobby Lobby. These cute little signs are from Walmart. This is Hobby Lobby. Some little garland. And I have these black spiders, and I was going to do a white tree, which they would have shown up, but I ended up going with a black tree. So now I'm going to have to come up with something to make them stand out. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure something out. And then and they're like metal. And then I have these little metal pumpkins and bats and spiders. And this is cute. Came from Walmart. And we have lots. And of course we have Jack. And we have Zero. And we have Oogie. And then we have the mayor, which I love. His little face. It's cute. And then we have Lock, Shock, and Barrel. And so here's what we're working with. And I did buy these because I thought maybe these little rhinestones, I could do something to the spiders to make them stand out. I'm not sure yet. But I'll figure it out, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I forgot to show the Christmas tree. It's a black tree that I got at Walmart. It was $39. And this is what I'll be using. And I keep looking at these, and they look so plain. They're cute because Jack, of course, is the pumpkin king, so we have to have pumpkins. But I just feel like I need to spruce them up. But at the moment, we are in a corporate apartment. And so I don't have all my craft supplies, which is horrible because I can't just run in there and grab glitter, grab all the things and make them cute. So I'm going to have to figure out something to do with these. And maybe they'll look really cute once they get into the black tree. I mean, as they are. So we'll see. Alrighty. Here we go, Jack. Y'all, look how cute. I put the rhinestones on the bat. And some on the spiders. Look how cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. I didn't even realize this was garland. Clearly I didn't read the packaging, but it is garland. It's garland spiders. But those are so cute. I'm gonna have to buy some more because this is just a little tiny piece. So I got these at Walmart. Whoops, shook the camera. But I was just like, they just stick on. So I was putting them on the spiders. And it'd be really cute to have them on all their legs. To make them really stand out. I think it's cute. I was trying to just make them like show up in the tree. Really cute. I don't know what to do with this one. I may do some of the big ones on his legs. And then just like stick them around on his legs. So I'm gonna keep doing this. And like I said, I guess I can explain more on our move since we are in a corporate apartment. It's kind of crazy that I'm doing all of this. And we're in a temporary location right now because we're waiting on our house to be finished. But I hate to let a season pass and not get to enjoy it and celebrate, or not celebrate it, just kind of enjoy it because Halloween's fun. I usually don't do Halloween. I love to decorate and I go crazy at Christmas, but I don't really do Halloween. But my kids, like I said, love Nightmare Before Christmas. And so I thought I would do this. And it's not like gory and scary. I don't do scary, but we're gonna be here through October. We're supposed to close on our house at the end of October, so we should be getting in there right, hopefully in time to have a fun Thanksgiving and be kind of unpacked. I usually do it really, really fast because we've moved about, I don't even remember, 14 times. I don't know, a lot from state to state with my husband's job. And we don't live like movers, so we have a lot of things that I'll have to unpack, and a lot of things we're going to get rid of on this go around. Hopefully, I mean, I'll film all that and add that to my channel. I'm definitely going to have to run to Walmart and get some more of these cute little rhinestones because I'm loving them on here. Of course, I like the bling. So cute. All right, I'm gonna have to make bows. So I'm gonna do that next, and I'll film that. And like I said, we are temporary, so I had to buy glue guns. I hate not having all my stuff. Here we go. Okay, so here's what I came up with. Okay, so I just tied some ribbon around the top, and then I did take this little string out because I wasn't crazy about this one, and just added a black one. And then I think it'll be so cute just to hot glue some feathers onto the back of it, just to kind of add something to them. I was gonna make bows, but I don't know, I couldn't get it to look the way I wanted it to. So I think that's gonna look really cute. And then I did add some little rhinestones to the spider. And then I added a few more to these little spiders. And I am making a huge mess. This is extremely messy. Okay, cutting my ribbons for my pumpkins. I'm cutting these off. So, if you love the video, which, I mean, it's a video with feathers flowing in it. How can you not love that? Subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. And then I don't have a lot of posts on Instagram right now. I plan on posting a lot more. And honestly, it's just because I would think, oh, it's not good enough, this picture's not good enough. But you know what? That's about to change because I'm going to just start posting. So follow me on Instagram and click that like button. Whoops, what am I doing? Talking, I can't talk and craft at the same time, clearly. So I forgot I was going to cut all of my ribbon so it's the same size. And Walmart only had 2 rolls of this cute black and white stripe. Well, at the Walmart that's closest to where we are. So I hope I have enough. Ah, wow. I literally have bumped that like every time. I was going to actually use these for the bows I was making. But I think I'm just going to twist them. So I have white ones and black ones. And I'm going to twist them and then just make like the little curly cues. I'll do that in a minute and see how that turns out. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So I'm just going to keep cutting my ribbon. And there goes the camera. I didn't bump it that time, but it's just like sliding off the little thing I have it sitting on. Okay, well, we'll just stop it and I'll film again when I start making the little twisty tie things. Okay, so I made a little pipe cleaner, like Jack Skellington, his little mountain curly thing. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna make a couple more and then just see how it looks in the tree. But just twisting pipe cleaners around each other, but you definitely need to do like multiple pipe cleaners to give it some strength. So like a bunch of the black ones together, like 2 of the black ones together to make the top, and I added more black ones to the bottom to give it some strength down into the tree. So we'll see how those look. So I thought it turned out cute. So I'm probably gonna make like 2 more and we'll see how they look in the tree. Okay, so Nightmare Before Christmas everything. So I have my Nightmare Before Christmas Jack mug with my coffee. And then our tree, which I think it turned out so cute. Oh my goodness. And oh, the light is kind of making it weird. But I just added ribbon and feathers to the topper. I added feathers to everything, honestly. There's my little pipe cleaners that I twisted up, and Jack. And I added ribbon and feathers to the pumpkins. And we had to have a lot of pumpkins because Jack is the pumpkin king. So we have lots and lots of pumpkins. And then we have the spider, and I added the rhinestones to his back and hot glued some feathers to him so he would stand out against the black tree. And then you can see the little beaded garland from Hobby Lobby, which they only had 2 strings of it, which was plenty, so it worked out really, really good. And then the mayor and his cute little faces. Oh, I love him. He's so cute. And then we have the kids down here. And we have Oogie and a little spider. And the spiders worked out with this orange feather boa because it makes them stand out against the black tree as well. And then they have, of course, the little rhinestones that I added to them. And then there's a bat down here. And then I didn't have anything to put at the bottom of the tree, so we just ran to the dollar store and grabbed a just one of those inexpensive table covers. But I think it turned out really cute. And then there's the balls, and of course I had added feathers to those. Kind of went crazy with my feathers, but I think it's so cute. It just gives it, like, especially when the fan is blowing it and they're just over here like blowing in the wind. It looks so cute. And then Zero up there at the top. He was a little more challenging to get situated in the tree. We usually have themed movie nights. I don't know if we're going to get to do that this year, which is a little sad. We do the whole, our clothes are the theme and all our snacks, and it's just a fun time. I've been doing it with the kids ever since they were babies, and now they're grown, and we still do it, and we still love it so much. Okay, I forgot to show that I did do feathers on the balls as well. There's the balls. I just wadded, even like loose feathers, because feathers were flying everywhere as I was doing it, so I was just gathering them up and gluing them on the top. But I was going to explain kind of how to hold these in. I used pipe cleaners and attached to their arms and then attached to the tree. And then for that, I hot glued pipe cleaners on the back to attach to the tree. But then the next day, I was sitting here and the thing just fell off. So I had to tape the pipe cleaners to the back to hold that on to the top. And for Zero, he was very awkward because the way he's made, he didn't really like go into the tree. So I'll sneak peek in here. I used like a wax paper, the end of it, the little cardboard tube, and just stuck it underneath him, and then used pipe cleaners to attach that to the tree so that he could stand up there. Otherwise, he was very difficult to get situated. So that, and then just kind of hide it. But that worked out really good. And then these are the little pipe cleaners that I twisted. Like I said, we're in a corporate apartment, and I just didn't want to just go out and buy like a ton of stuff because we are about to close on our house towards the end of this month. And so I was just trying to use just a few pieces. Like my son said, wow, I didn't realize it was going to fill up the tree because he didn't think I had enough. But so that's why I just made some things, which normally I may have, run to Hobby Lobby and grabbed some things, but I didn't because we, like I said, are in a temporary situation. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you love it or if I went too feather crazy, just let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming soon.